Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk round video of VW Amorak that we have. It's a V6 model, so plenty of torque in this one, over 200 brake horse, so it should easily pull whatever you want to pull on back of it. It's a Highline version, so this is the top of the range in the VW. It's got a couple of extras on the back of it here, obviously the canopy, which in Mitsubishi land there, £2,000, and then obviously you've got a tow bar there, same again Mitsubishi land, you're talking £700 there. So a few little extras, rear camera for reversing on this one, and also it's got the rear sensors as well built into the tailgate. Just open the tailgate for you. It's got like a liner in it, like a textured. I think it's been sprayed actually, but it's in really good order. Very light usage. Nice big heavy tailgate, well made, obviously German VW. Nice clean car. It is a one owner car, full VW history. It's covered 58,000 miles, this one. Really nice colour. It's the first one we've had in stock, and yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. It goes well. It's got a lovely automatic gearbox as well. With it being the Highline, you've got all the full leather interior inside it and all the sat nav. I'll just take you inside so you can have a look at inside. As you can see there, full leather. And back, nice order. No rips or tears or anything. I'll jump in there. 55,000. Nice big V6 engine, sounds lovely. You've got the automatic box there, you've got Triptronic on that as well, where basically just the plus and minuses there, just move it across, and it's good for towing, or if you're off-road you can make it stay in first gear, second gear. Heated front seats there as well. You've also got dual climate control, so you can set the two different sides at different temperatures. All the usuals, you know, voice activation, cruise control. Obviously there's your sat nav there. When you put it in reverse, it does come up with your cameras there, which is good because you can see your towing hitch as well there. So if you are reversing up to a trailer, at least you know you're going to be square with it and bang on. It makes life a little bit easier. Obviously cruise control, which is a must nowadays. All the speed cameras on the motorways and so on. Really, really nice truck. You can tell why they're a little bit more expensive than other people's, because the actual build quality is second to none. If you'd like to book a video or a test drive, don't hesitate, just contact the dealership. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.